Disassembling, a mock I made for fun. It uses the Crash Bar mold, Calzatron mold, and my Micronus. Well, he already wants to come apart anyways. I want to start with the legs. Alright, he's back together. Let's start disassembling him with the legs. So, this is a road pig slash Crash Bar arm, road pig slash Crash Bar leg, a Rock Lord piece, pretty much the exact same on the other side. Except, oh, this one has the wheel and this one doesn't. I used road pig because I don't have Crash Bar. Yeah, that already wants to come off. Take that off. By the way, as I'm taking them apart, I will be building it up. By the way, also, I replaced my road pig's head with GC Wheelie, because he broke. Anyways, so I will be, as I said before, I will be assembling them as I go. So let's start with Crash Bar slash road pig. Better. By the way, out of all of them so far, Crash Bar is the most complete. Wrong one. I mean, no, this is Road Pig. Don't flame me in the comments if someone wants to watch this video. But a fun fact, this version of the mold comes in vehicle mode and only comes in a 3-pack. Night Strike, who I originally thought was a bird, but then realized it was a rat bat mold, so he's a bat. He was also a bat in RID 2015, but could have been bigger, honestly. He could have used the Mind Wipe mold. But no, Hasbro had to be difficult in you and turn him into a Micromaster. Second place for most complete is Calcitron, but mainly because I haven't started working on my Micronos. And so let's start by taking off the chest piece, which is actually Road Pig's tire. Okay, so I have them both stood out now. Well, the Grimlock are scale. Take these off. Can't put these on or this on yet. And so let's Cronus is now even more complete. The rest of them is, let's start disassembling. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Don't call me a noob for not knowing how to disassemble my own creation, by the way. Because I've done this multiple times, I'm just doing it with one hand. Wrong side. Go, 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 go. Road Pig is now the first complete. Kind of. He has Wheelie's head. Second complete. My Cronus. Bro tastes like blue. And we got the crossbow. Boom. Am I going to transform him on screen? No. Goodbye.